Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to show you around my cozy little home away from home, my hostel room. Firstly, let me show you some of the common areas. We have got this cute area where I often hang out with my roommates and friends. It's perfect for studying or just chilling after a long hectic day. Now, let's unlock the door to my room and see where the magic happens. Tada! Welcome to my humble abode. As you can see, it's not huge, but it's definitely cozy and packed with personality. And there you have it, a glimpse into my hostel room. Living here has its challenges, but it is also an incredible experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comment section which part of my room you like the most. Thanks for joining me on this room tour. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and stay awesome. And remember, no matter where you are, it's all about making the best of your space and creating a place that feels like a home. Bye, guys.